This is a Honda Odyssey, and it's a 1999 model. So notice this the hood will not lock. So I find out that this springboard here is clogged with gunk. So I'm using the WD-40 to remove the oily substance, like the grease. See this? It's all clogged. So it's clogged. I took it to the motor repair store, to the shop, mechanic workshop, and the guy was going to charge me a lot of money. In fact, he said I need to change this entire thing. So I said, okay, let me try, let me see what else can be done to fix it. Actually, he asked me to buy something, which I did, and so now to fix it, he was trying to charge me a lot of money. So I said, let me come back and see what I can do to get it to work. Compared to what it was before, it's clean now. I don't want to remove the cover, so I can get, you know, everything out, but that's fine for now. So you see, so get everything out. It's clean now. It's better than it was before. And now, so let me lock the hood and see what happens. Yep. Clean. See? It locks fine now. It locks perfectly well now.